Hello again. In today's video, we are going to be looking at isotopes of elements. Please pay attention to what I'm going to tell you in this video because it's going to help you. Let's read the question together. Oxygen is a mixture of two isotopes. This is the 16 and 18, and 18 and 16 and 8, and 18 and 8, with relative abundance of 90% and 10% respectively. The relative atomic mass of oxygen is. Now, before I solve this question, think about oxygen as a bag of orange. 90% of that bag weighs 16 grams. Do you understand? Then 10% weighs 18 grams. So adding them up together will give us this. Will give us this RAM. Do you understand? Now, there is formula to be noted if you want to solve this question. That formula is formula RAM equals to mass. This is mass, mass 1 times percentage 1. Do you understand? Plus mass 2 times percentage 2. Do you understand? All in 100%. When you know this formula, this question has been answered. The next thing you have to do is that you have to substitute this thing that we just said now. Substitute it by saying mass 1 is what? Mass 1 is 16. 16 times this percentage 1. What is percentage 1? 90. Do you understand? You close the bracket. Okay? So what is plus what is mass 2? Mass 2 is 18. Do you understand? Times what is percentage 2? Percentage 2 is 10. Do you understand? So you close it. All in what? 100. The next thing you have to note is that you have to multiply and divide. What do I mean? 16 times 90 will give us what? 16 times 90 will give us 1440. 1440. Do you understand? Plus, this is plus 18 times 10. I think 180. Or let's press 18 times 10. Will give us 180. Do you understand? All in 100. So the next thing you have to do is to add up this number. 1440 plus 180 will give us what? 1620. 1620. All in 100. So the next thing is to divide them. Divide by 100. Will give us what? 16.2. 16.2. And this is your. All right. If you have watched till this time, I know you must be benefiting from this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and follow this channel. Let's read the question number 2. An element X has two isotopes, which is this man and this man, and this man and this man, present in a ratio of 1:3. The relative atomic mass of X would be. Now, when reading question, if you are a student, when reading question, any question, just try to understand it because that's the first step to take. You understand? I know you understand the question we read now. So looking at this now, first, there is no percentage in it, so we are not going to use percentage, but the formula is the same thing because you see it is the same thing. Now, the first thing to take note about is to derive the formula. But if you are writing exam, you don't need to do that. Just note the formula. So the formula to use is still the same formula. RAM. Do you understand? Equals to our normal mass 1 times F1. This F1 is fraction. You get. You close the bracket plus our normal mass 2 times F2. You close the bracket. Do you understand? all in 4. Where do we get this 4? We get it by adding up this ratio. Do you understand? So next thing you have to do is that you have to substitute these values. So our mass 1 is 20. 20 multiplied by this ratio is like this. 20 plus 1. You close the bracket. Plus, sorry, 20 multiplied by 1. You close it. Plus 22 multiplied by 3. This 3. You understand? Close the bracket. So next thing you have to do is that you have to multiply it. 20 multiplied by 1 will give us what? 20. Do you get? So plus 22 multiplied by 3. Let's press that. Will give us 66. All in 4. You get? All in 4. So next thing you have to do is to add it up. So I think it's 86, right? So equals to 86 all in 4. Now divide 86 divided by 4. 86 divided by 4 will give us 21.5. So the answer automatically turns to 21.5. You see it. So that's the answer. Please follow this channel. I will be uploading different videos that will help students. Now, solve your own practice question. Make sure you solve it.